County until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Plainfield, Beech Grove, Zionsville, Speedway, Southport, Westfield, Cumberland, McCordsville, Fortville, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Holmcroft, Rocky Ripple, and Williams Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Warren Park, Claremont, Holmcroft, Rocky Ripple, and Williams Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Boone, Hamilton, Hancock, and Marion. Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Plainfield, Beech Grove, Zionsville, Speedway, Southport, Westfield, Cumberland, McCordsville, Fortville, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Holmcroft, Rocky Ripple, and Williams Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is hot. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.